about to die any second, guys. This is the morning. It's currently like 7 right now. And I'm helping Atike and Atike put their stuff in the car. Guys, I'm going down the thing because I'm bored in there. I'm scared. What the heck? Anyways. Why am I doing so fast? Oh, my pants just got wet. Okay. I won't go that way for that. Anyways, I have to go charge my camera. You won't see me until like after devotion. Breakfast maybe. Hey guys, my camera is charged.
Yay!
We're in oops, that's the girl's bathroom, right? I thought it was the boy's bathroom. My hair looks crazy. And the fit. Anyways. I have to go. Yeah. Oh yeah, sure. Guys, we're interviewing people. I don't know where to go, so I have.
Let's go. I know half of these people.
No, we're leaving. Come on. We're supposed to interview people in here, but there was no one we knew. Okay, let's go up there.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, look at our cameraman, guys. Because Kuidron left us. Oh, guys, look. Oh, ain't that. Guys, it's the last day. Nagpa-practice po sila doon. First.
We're gonna win.
Yeah! Ano ba kayo?
Orange.
Ikaw?
Blue.
Blue. Blue. I believe that Miriam took my stuff. I already know it. We're going inside. Hahanapin po natin si Miriam.
Welcome
Guys.
to the last day of our National Camp 2024! Hindi mo malang excited o hindi, di ba?
Sana manalo po kami.
Okay, so... Ba't may umiiyak? Alright, so please settle down. And
Should we do
on the
everywhere we go?
8th place,
Everywhere we go?
with a total score of 2,230 points. Pumunta na kayo sa harap. Team Orange Juice! 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. With
7.
2,950 points. Drum roll, please. And we welcome the purple team.
Total score of 2,580.
I'm scared.
Asan kayo? Mga Super Saiyans!
Okay lang! Okay lang! Okay. Everywhere we go! Everywhere we go! People wanna know! Who we are!
Meow, 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 meow.
Away. And we call on Yellow Ranger.
Fourth place, with a total score of 3,350 points. Hindi sila red flag, kundi
Third place with 3,390 points from both leagues. And we call on the Unbreakable.
with a total score of 3,430 points. You are the second place.
Sana si Kakamping.
Lagi na lang second place. Kakaw!
Guys, ano address nyo? Sendan ko na lang kayo ng tote bag. Kunyari na lang po kami yung first.
Meow, 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 meow.
On my list is
We should stand up for
Brother
LJ.
Andy from
We should stand up for LJ.
LJ Bell from East Auckland. Can we call on LJ?
Woo!
So, thank you, Sister LJ.
Ayun naman ako. Tabayan niyo ako. Thank you, thank you. Ang babait mo. Thank you! Thank you! Ang babait ninyo! Thank you! Hi guys!
With me.
Ako mag-picture.
Hi, miss. What happened, miss?
Stop over po kami sa McDo. Pinagtatawanan po nila yung aking exit. Pero to be fair, hindi ko po talaga kasalanan. Insert picture here.
Kasalanan ng ano, GPS yun.
Si Don.
May tumatawa sa gilid. May tumatawa sa gilid, oh. Tinatawa ng ganyan.
Actually, can I just be fair? Everyone followed me anyway. We're at McDonald's.
Order na, tagal.
Nakapag-time si Kuya. Uy. Hi guys. We just said goodbye to Ella and Seth. We're about to go to time zone with some of the Christchurch. See you there. Yun po yung ipopost namin. Hey! Yan! Yan! Zero! Bagal nyo? Hello? Yan! Ayun, you're not. Nakakalungkot po. Ang score ko, 3. Lahat sila, 20. Mahiya naman ako. Na 1. Ay, wow! Guys, tingnan niyo po yung length ng nail ni John. Ang sakit po niyan. Yes! Yes! Straight! Straight! Ay! Ah! Go Lambi!
Wag mo daw galingan, sabi ni Jemima.
Yes! Ang galing!
Yan na, yan na. Wala yan!
Hi, big boy si Jemima.
Ako yung winner dito.
Na-miss ko po talaga si Jemima. Yes! Yes! Oh! Uy, nice! Moral of the story, hindi na po ako magba-bowling. Ito po si Jana. Cutesy pa din. At ang kanyang GC Life. Actually, ano po yan? Sukin.
Ano pa to Thursday pa to guys?
Without charge?
Yeah, without charge.
Wow!
Without charge.
Sa isang muna Jemima! Ate, kaya to block it.
Andito ako! Kelly, baba mo yung may matapag mo. Yes!
Baba na ang bag! Bigyan ko na lang! Woo! Sakin ka na lang namin! We're going... Sige na! Tayo mo lang! Tayo mo yung left na pangalawa. Magdadayag lang lang. Pwede! Go! Yeah! Red! Oh, yeah! Achuchu! Achuchu! Oh, yeah! Achuchu! Achuchu! Ate!
Oy, where's the other?
Uy! Dapat ito...
Yung isang driver.
Asan yung isang ganyan?
Baka yan yung
Ate Gail, baliktad! Bakit kami na yun? Wow!
go. Then can I try?
Wow! Yes! Wow! Oh, you're good! Guys, Isra, Abby, Yen, Eliza, si Jerome din. Go na! Go! Go, Jana! Ang galing mo, Lam! Wow! Wow!
Wow. Malayo yan.
Nakita yun?
Ayun! Nag-post.
Ang galing mo! Wow! Yes! Club lang. Club lang.
Try Jurassic
Ganun.
Park Club and above it is actually minutes of
Mark Logan.
Dito yung maubos natin. Yay! Wow! Ate girl!
Wait, let me video. Bakit hindi tumama to?
Okay lang. Yay!
Yeah, like that.
No one saw it. It's okay.
Ay! Ang galing! Ito po talaga yung gawin ko.
Oh, ba't binida?
Anay! Uy, basic. Oh! Nakuha pa po sa video. Next!
Ano pag epic to? Epic!
Okay lang kay John din, epic fail.
Pressure ako.
Ate kayo.
Next! Oy! Hello. We are now. I'm his coach.
Driver dito.
Introduce myself. Hala, hindi ka mag-introduce.
Ano pangalan channel mo, te?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Sa Instagram.
Sa Instagram.
Ha?
Instagram. Hindi mo kita binakalo sa Instagram.
Paano nakita? Yan ang nangyari
Ate,
sa akin.
pinalo kita ate.
Pagtatawa. Huwag kayong tumawa.
Baliw.
Hala! Papakit pa ka.
Hindi po ako makaingat. Hindi po ako makaingat. Nakita mo yun yung nangyari sa akin. Pero ginawa niya po sa sarili niya. Sana nakuha ko yun sa video. Pero tayo kaya.
My name is Hala! Introduce yourself. No.
Pag po siya nag-famous. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll send you her Instagram. Kat na pa, nandito po ang kanyang kuya. Hindi nangyari na yan sa amin before.
Oh, tapos pinabayad ba nila?
Hindi. Okay.
Ano gagawin?
Balik mo lang. 350 na halos pa. 350. Yun po yung sasabihin ko. Pero okay lang. Sorry. Pabayaran ko na lang po. It's okay. Okay, I paid for it.
Bro,
It's alright.
how much?
Sabihin mo,
No, how much?
Sabihin mo, sabihin mo.
It's okay.
No, how much?
Sabihin mo
No, how
ate.
much?
Okay lang.
How much?
Ha?
Sinabi ko yung price.
Eh? Wag! Yeah, okay lang. Don't worry about it.
Bro, no.
Joke lang.
Oh. What the heck?
Magkano sabi? Nice one, nice one, nice one.
May content na po ako.
Viral na, viral na.
eh.
May caption na.
Hindi kasi baka
Caption na yan.
galit-galit siya dun eh. Ika-ika ka din. Habulin kita gano'n.
Pero grabe yung 350 naman.
Eh?
Sira na.
Sabi niya sa akin, 1,200 yan. Mas mababa na ngayon sabi ko. Pero sabi ko, tawa lang ako tawa. Sorry talaga. Sabi niya, okay lang. Buti na lang ako yung nagbalik. Hindi ikaw.
Hoy! Hoy! Twin na twin, no? Oh.
Hindi man!
Di ba? Tignan mo guys, oh.
Layo!
Ngiti ka, ngiti.
Hindi, same
Ano
same
layo?
Yung mukha.
Di ba?
Very semblance.
Parang ano,
Ano?
stepsister ka na.
So hindi talaga kami related. Mga to, ang layo. Pati nyo na lang sinabi kamukha ko sa Ivana, ganyan.
Diba?
Hindi nyo na lang ako binola.
Hindi ko nga alam yung surname ko.
Napo mo na lahat ate.
Focusing.
Napo mo na
Bakit lang hindi?
Yung sa'yo na lang.
Oh, there.
Picturean niya. O, di ba?
Hindi, picturean ko na rin.
Di ba?
Picturean ko na rin.
Dali lang yan.
Hindi, i-like mo na rin yung...
1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3.